Today, we're making a delicious vintage prune cake. There's a reason why this recipe has been passed down for generations. It's warm, spiced with cinnamon and cloves, and filled with California prunes, which add rich flavor and moisture to the cake. To make it, preheat your oven to 350. Next, add all your spices to a mixing bowl, a teaspoon each of fresh nutmeg, cinnamon, ground cloves, and allspice. Now whisk those spices into 2 cups of flour mixed with half a teaspoon of salt and a full teaspoon of baking soda. In another large bowl, whisk together 3 eggs with 1.5 cups of sugar and a cup of vegetable oil. Once the mixture is smooth, stir in a cup of buttermilk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, then fold in a cup of pitted chopped prunes, stirring to coat them in the batter. Slowly stir your prune mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients, using a spatula to scrape the sides and combine everything. Then, pour it all into the prepared baking pan and pop it in the oven for 45 minutes, or until it's baked all the way through. While that's going, let's make the glaze. In a sauce pot, add half a cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of dark corn syrup, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 6 tablespoons butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir to combine and bring to a simmer over low heat. It will foam up. Keep the glaze warm on the stovetop until the cake is done. Once it's finished baking, pull the pan from the oven and use a fork to poke holes all over. Pour that warmed glaze over it, tilting the pan to get a nice, even coating. Those holes will help the cake absorb as much glaze as possible. Now you're ready to serve. You can enjoy this one right away, but it'll get even better as it sits for a day or two. Let's just see if it lasts that long.